But in big question on everyone's mind is, will this rate go down in the future? Drawing from my personal experience, I have observed that in the recent years of historical low interest rate, Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into an important topic that affects all of us, interest rates and their impact on home prices. As of now, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate stands almost at 8%. But the big questions are, will the interest rate go down? And will the home price become more affordable? And what should investors prepare for? Let's break it down. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell too. My name is Korianne. Interest rate and home price, the relationship between the two. First, let's understand the relationship between interest rate and home prices. When interest rates are low, like we have seen in recent years, borrowing money for a mortgage becomes more affordable. This often leads to increased demand for homes, driving up the home prices. As evident from the data, the median home price in January 2020 stood at $329,000. In the same year, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate averaged about 3.72. Notably, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate has remained relatively stable within the range of 2.5% to 4% for a few years. However, this sustained low rate environment contributed to the significant surge in home prices, surpassing the usual rate of increase we typically associate with inflation. In certain real estate markets, we witness astonishing level of appreciation, with some area experience home price increase in the double-digit percentages like Miami, Denver, Austin, and Phoenix. Conversely, when interest rates rise, borrowing become more expensive, which can cool the housing market and put downward pressure on the home prices. The high-end home price has been reduced anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000, and these homes are new homes from builders who could not sell. As of now, we are seeing interest rate almost at 8%, which is significantly higher than what many of us has become accustomed to in recent years. But in big question on everyone's mind is, will this rate go down in the future? Drawing from my personal experience, I have observed that in the recent years of historical low interest rate, a significant number of homeowners and investors have secured the 30-year fixed mortgages within the favorable range of 2.5% to 4%. Given the substantial financial advantages this offers, many of these homeowners are likely to remain in their current homes, especially when the interest rate trend upward. The prospect of moving to a new home in the higher interest rate environments has deterred many from making such a change. They understand that relocation would likely lead to mortgage payments that are nearly double what they are currently enjoying. This insight highlights the impact of interest rate on homeowners' decisions and emphasize the importance of secure a low fixed rate when considering a property purchase. When current homeowners are staying put, this keeps the inventory in the resale market low. So what the significance of all of this for potential home buyers or new real estate investors? Elevated interest rate can render home ownership less obtainable, particularly for first-time buyers. This could potentially lead to a smaller mortgages that they can handle, thereby influence the size, the type, and the location of homes they can afford. As of October 2023, as I'm recording this, the median home price stands at $430,000, while the median household income is recorded at about almost $75,000. What's striking is that in this context, the home price is now appropriate 5.75 times the median household income. This ratio indicates that home ownership may not be within reach for many new home buyers due to the lack of affordability. However, it's important to note that while rising interest rates may slow down the market and potentially lead to a price adjustment, it doesn't guarantee that home price will drop significantly or become instant more affordable. The biggest factor that you can see, the inventory of resale has been low because more than 70% of existing home have already locked in the low interest rate in the range of 2.5% to 4% in the last couple of years. Most of these homeowners or investors will not sell unless there is a personal emergency reason due to job layoff, divorce, or medical issues. Let's assume you are considering buying a home with a fixed rate mortgage and the current mortgage rate is about 4%. You can afford a monthly payment of $2,000, which would allow you to purchase a home worth about $400,000, assuming a 30-year loan with a 20% down payment. Now, if the mortgage rate increased by 1% to 5%, the same monthly payment of $2,000 would only allow you to afford a home price at appropriate $355,000. This means with a higher interest rate, you would have to either increase your monthly budget or consider purchasing a smaller home to maintain the same monthly payments. The 1% rise in mortgage rate can sink your buying power, making it challenging to afford a home above $350,000 instead of $400,000. This assumes that you aim to keep your mortgage payment at 1/3 of your monthly gross income, aligning with your current annual median household income in the U.S., which is nearly about $75,000. How can potential homeowner and investor prepare? Now, what should real estate investor prepare for in this environment? First, you need to evaluate risk tolerance. Understand that higher interest rate can affect property values. Assess your risk tolerance and consider how different interest rate scenarios may impact your investment. If you have already secured low interest rate for your existing investments, congratulations are in order. Locking in these low fixed debt payments, especially in an inflationary environment, is a smart move that benefits you in multiple ways. Diversification. Diversify your real estate portfolio. Different types of property may respond different to different interest rate changes. Adapt your financing approach. If you are comfortable with the associated risk, explore the option of adjustable rate mortgage, which can provide lower initial rates for a period of like 5 to 7 years. However, before diving into these mortgage options, ensure you have thorough understanding of the specific risk tied to each program. Look out for great discount on new construction home from builders. I started to see some home builders giving out incentive to buy down the interest rate as well as lower the listing price to attract home buyers. If you are a first-time home buyers, you may find home prices fall into your affordable home price target. For a high-end homes, they reduce $50,000 to $100,000, and for the affordable home price, they reduce to $10,000 to $30,000. You need to run the numbers and make sure investing as well as owning a home will not hinder your finances. Stay informed. Keep a close eye on economic indicators and forecasts. Be ready to adjust your investment strategy as condition changes. In conclusion, the relationship between interest rate and home prices are complex and influenced by various factors. The current 8% interest rate is a reminder that market conditions can shift. Whether rates will decrease and home price will become more affordable again in the short term remain uncertain. Remember to stay informed, make informed decisions, and consider professional advice when navigating the real estate market. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with fellow investor friends and family. And as always, share your thought and question in the comment below. I'm here to help. Until next time, successful investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!